My head is bigger than yours.
So,
Your head. She's a 6-year-old!
Ang pinakaano ko lang sa kanya, pagtimplahan ko lang siya ng babelikton lang naman yun.
My lips are bleeding. I know! Bro, her lips are bleeding. I know it. I'm still jumping on the couch. Still jumping on the couch. She's still right here. On the couch. Still jumping on the couch. Ow! My finger.
Maya.
Guess who's back?
Maya, you're going to your dad daw. Today.
Sorry.
Ay, kinukuha pa rin siya din.
Kinukuha nga siya. Kukunin siya.
Pero weekly siya kinukuha.
Hindi.
Mom, is that bush up?
Maano si Maya ngayon, wala ko na kung gawin na sa tatay.
It's Mr. Buzad.